And another type of blockchain is private blockchain. In this kind of blockchains, write permissions are kept centralized to one company. Read permissions may be public or restricted to an arbitrary extent. Likely applications include database management, auditing, and more that internal to a single company, and so public readability may not be necessary in many cases at all, though in other cases public auditability is desired. For example, Aris Industries multi-chain. Consortium blockchain. This is the third type of blockchain. Consensus process is controlled by a pre-selected set of nodes. For example, one might imagine a consortium of 15 financial institutions, each which operates a node, and of which 10 must sign every block in the public or restricted to the participants. For example, R3. Blockchain 1 currency. This version of blockchain can be decomposed in 3 layers. The first layer is the underlying technology, the blockchain. The middle tier of the stack is the protocol, the software system that transfers the money over the blockchain ledger. Then the top layer is the currency itself. Bitcoin was invented in 2008 with the publication of a paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, written under the alias of Satoshi Nakamoto. Blockchain 2. Smart contract. Smart contract is a term used to describe computer program code that is capable of facilitating, executing, and enforcing the negotiation or performance of an agreement. Using blockchain technology, the entire process is automated, can act as a complement or substitute for legal contracts, where the terms of the smart contracts are recorded in a computer language as a set of instructions. Smart contracts are written using specific technologies like Solidity. How smart contracts work. Matchwire with stellar exchange. Contracts receive assets, contract distributed assets. Sell house, buy house. Block gates. Clearing and settlement is automated. Registry. Ownership is undisputed. Digitize currency. Digitize the land deed. Blockchain 3. Decentralized app. One broad way of thinking about the use of blockchain concepts is applying them beyond the original context in the areas of the government, health, science, literacy, culture, and art. For example, voting application, open bazaar, healthcare. And the next is agenda. Why blockchain? Blockchain concepts, Hyperledger fabric, Solidity programming, blockchain use cases, blockchain in the industry. Why blockchain? Why blockchain? Blockchain is the technology behind Bitcoin. Bitcoin came into the existence to the fix issues we had with centralized banking system. High transaction fee, double spending transaction fee.